Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have covered the topics Netcat and SOCAT. In today's video, we'll be proceeding with our third topic, that is Ncat. What exactly is Ncat? Ncat is the Nmap project's version of Netcat. It is most notable for its well-maintained cross-platform support. Both Nmap, the port scanner, and Ncat have native Windows support. So, what exactly is Nmap? If you are thinking, here is the answer. Nmap is a free open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. So network discovery and security auditing are the one of the two most useful features of Nmap. Nmap is basically a port scanner. Okay, we will be covering CryptCat in our next video. Until then, thank you very much. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.